Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you very much for joining me. I have a fun project planned for us today. I hope this video inspires you to create something of your own. If you would, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. That helps me to grow this channel and to continue to bring you new projects. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? And if you have, thank you very much. Well, we have a lot to do, so let's get to it. Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you for joining me. So we did a little thing. We've been working for the last 100+ days to add this little porch onto our homestead. It's been an interesting 100+ days. Had a cancer scare. I am okay. But we have worked like the dickens to get to this beautiful new area. So just to show you outside. Oh, look at my grass, y'all. Yeah, the cement truck was not kind to it. But we have this lovely new area. It's not all the way done. We need to work on ceiling and floors and that sort of thing. And of course, being the plant person, we're working on a ditch over here for electrical and water. And it's just been raining cats and dogs for days, so that'll look better the next time you see it. But hang tight and let me show you how fast this really did go. It seemed kind of long along the way, but truth be told, it's done and we like it. Next step in the project. Got everything moved off of here, trying to get it out of the construction guy's way. There we go. Next step. Hang on tight. Don't look at me, look at the tree. Look where you're going. Careful.
Okay, I'm gonna go back down.
Okay, you're coming back.
Yeah.
Christopher. You wiggle in the ladder.
You scared the wild bees out of me. What a huge Christmas tree spot.
It's starting to go. It's starting to go.
Timber!
Yucks. Okay.
The armpit.
Okay.
Turn it over, whatever. Come back. Come back this way. Come back this way and start in. You're all like this spot right here, all this. Now go down. Get some of that. Yeah. You want to go down while you're scooping it up. Right. Can't be in the working area.
Oh, we're operating it.
You will. Back left. I got that little chicken. You got some of that middle on that thing. Throttle up some. Get some more gas. Throttle up a little bit. Throttle up some, just a little bit. This is a
down there in the sand or whatever.
Well, there it is. He got the wall removed. So now it's one big giant space. So, woohoo. A little more work to do, but the nasty part is over. And Tomasi is in the back hollering at a cat. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this little update. A little crash course in renovation. You see the bench is moved out here. Got a bunch of boxes. That's going to be my weed barrier out here. I found this beautiful Leland cypress tree. So a lot of that is our own homegrown, homespun little propagations out there. So we have more to do. There's always something to do, right? We're going to create a little bed over here with some of our hibiscus that I have propagated. Palm's not too happy here, so we'll have to figure out exactly what that means. Too much water, not enough sun. It was happy where it was, and now it's not, so we'll figure that out. We'll get it into a happy spot. And as I go to estate sales, you know, I see saw these little wooden benches, and there's a long one down there. Got them for, I think, $15 for all of them. Right, so they'll just add nice little seating out here. But it's just a huge, huge area now. Just extended it. That's where it ended before, and now it goes out to where it changes colors. Got a little bit of ceiling to work on. All right, we'll take those lights down. We've got more lights we're going to be hanging up. Those will come to you in a homestead update. But this is where we did an addition to the front of the house. How about that? What a cool project. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this update. If you have, like it, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, would you please consider subscribing? And well, until next time, and you know we had to keep our chickens and our roosters, right? Until next time, happy life, y'all.